Turn off lamp.
Turned off light.
Turn on lamp.
Turned on light.
Go to espHome.io. Scroll down and click on Connect. You'll be asked to select your Muse Luxe, so make sure it's plugged in. Now click on Install Media Player and then Install. Wait until it's done. It may take 2 minutes or more. Click on Next. Now select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Click on Connect. Click on Add to Home Assistant. You need to log in again. Select your device. Choose the area you want to use your device. I choose bedroom. Click on Finish. Now we need to install ESP Home, so go to Settings, go to Add-ons, Add-on Store, search for ESP Home, and click Install. When it's done, click on Start. You can also take the option to show in sidebar. Launch ESP Home. You'll see your device, so click on Adopt. You can rename your device. You also need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Click Adopt. When it's done, copy the encryption key somewhere. I choose to store it on a TXT file and then click Install. This will compile the firmware. When it's finished, go to Settings and Devices, and if your ESP Muse Luxe is here, then it's properly installed. You can also go to Overview, and if it's showing up, then you're all good. Go to ESP Home again, click on Edit, copy the name and the friendly name, and store them somewhere. I store them on the same TXT file as the encryption key. Now go to the GitHub, where there is the YAML file, copy it, and replace all your code. Scroll up. There replace your name and friendly name by what you saved before. enter your Wi-Fi password again. And then under API, type encryption key, and in quotation marks, paste your encryption key. Click on save and then install. Choose your method. I choose wireless. When it's done, we'll now set up the voice assistant. To do this, go to Settings, Voice Assistants. Here we're gonna use the Home Assistant Cloud, so I'm gonna sign in. User account. Under Assist, click on Add Assistant. You can name your configuration and choose language. Choose your conversation agent, your speech-to-text method, and the text-to-speech method. We now need to expose the entities. So click on Expose Entities, search for all the ESP Muse Luxe, and select all. To see if it's working properly, we can go to the Overview tab and click on the buttons directly on your Muse Luxe. You should see action switching on and off. Now to see if the voice assistant is working, go to ESP Home again, Logs, wait until you see purple text, click on the play button of the ESP Muse Luxe. When your speech is not recognized, you will see an error message written in red. That means your sentence was not recognized as a text. And when it's working properly, you will see speech recognized as and response. Turn on lamp.
Turned on light.